Fairy tales aren't just filled with wicked witches and towering villains, they also home to some of the bravest, cleverest, and most inspiring heroes we've ever known. These characters have captured our imaginations for generations, proving that courage and kindness can change the world. So today, let us journey into these magical stories and meet some of the most memorable male heroes who have left their mark on our hearts and minds. First up, we have the one and only Prince Charming, the quintessential hero from the timeless tale of Cinderella. More than just a handsome face in a royal court, Prince Charming represents determination and the unwavering belief in finding true love. Think about it, he didn't just host a ball and forget about the mysterious girl who vanished at midnight. He launched a kingdom-wide search with nothing more than a single glass slipper. His persistence wasn't just about finding a bride. It was about reconnecting with a kindred spirit. He teaches us that when you find something or someone truly special, it's worth moving heaven and earth to hold on to it. His story is a beautiful reminder that true love isn't just about fate. It's about the effort we put in and the hope we carry in our hearts. He is the ultimate romantic, a symbol of how determination and a kind heart can lead to a happily ever after. Next, let's fly on a magic carpet to the vibrant streets of Agrabah and meet Aladdin. Starting as a street rat, Aladdin is a hero for the underdog. He isn't born into royalty or blessed with immense power from the start. Instead, his greatest assets are his quick wit, his resourcefulness, and a heart of gold that shines brighter than any treasure in the Cave of Wonders. He outsmarts the cunning Jafar, navigates treacherous situations, and ultimately proves that your circumstances don't define your character. Aladdin's story is a powerful lesson in self-worth. He learns that pretending to be someone you're not isn't the path to happiness. True strength comes from embracing who you are, flaws and all. His journey reminds us that intelligence, courage, and a compassionate spirit are the real treasures, capable of overcoming even the most daunting challenges. He shows us that a hero can come from anywhere. Now, let us enter a cursed castle and explore one of the most complex heroes in fairy tale history, the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. His story is not one of instant heroism, but of a difficult, transformative journey. Initially, he is a figure of fear, cursed for his selfishness and arrogance. But his path to becoming a hero is paved with inner growth, learning compassion, and finding the courage to change. He learns to love and to be loved, not for his princely appearance, but for the person he becomes on the inside. The Beast's transformation from a lonely, bitter creature into a kind and selfless prince is one of the most profound character arcs in all of fiction. He teaches us that true heroism isn't about slaying dragons or winning battles. Sometimes, the greatest battle is the one we fight within ourselves. His story is a beautiful testament to the power of redemption and the idea that it is never too late to become a better person. Let's take the second star to the right and fly straight on till morning to Neverland, where we'll find Peter Pan, the boy who wouldn't grow up. Peter is the embodiment of eternal youth, adventure, and the untamed spirit of childhood. He's not a prince, and he's not trying to win a kingdom. His heroism comes from his fierce loyalty to his friends, the Lost Boys, and his unending battle against the cynical Captain Hook. Peter Pan reminds us of the sheer joy of imagination and the importance of holding on to our sense of wonder, no matter how old we get. He is daring, a little reckless, but always brave when it counts. He encourages us to believe in fairies, to dream of flying, and to never let the mundane world crush our spirit of adventure. His legacy is a powerful call to embrace the magic in everyday life and to remember that a little bit of playful rebellion can be a heroic act in itself. Of course, the world of fairy tales is filled with countless other heroes who inspire us. Think of Jack from Jack and the Beanstalk, whose bravery and quick thinking allowed him to outsmart a giant and save his family from poverty. Or Prince Eric from The Little Mermaid, who was willing to risk his life to save a stranger from a shipwreck and later fought a sea witch to be with the one he loved. Then there are the countless brave knights in shining armor who populate so many tales, always ready to fight for justice, protect the innocent, and uphold their honor. These heroes, whether they're princes, paupers, or boys who can fly, all share fundamental qualities: courage in the face of danger, cleverness to outwit their foes, and a deep-seated desire to do what is right. Their actions don't just make for exciting stories. They ignite the heroic potential that lies within all of us. So, whether they are rescuing princesses from tall towers, defeating powerful villains with magic and might, or embarking on incredible quests to discover themselves, these male heroes from our favorite fairy tales do more than just entertain us. They serve as timeless symbols of bravery, kindness, and intelligence. They show us that heroism comes in many forms, and that the greatest adventures often lead us to discover the best parts of ourselves. Their stories have been passed down through generations, and their legacies continue to remind us that everyone has the capacity to be a hero in their own story. Thank you so much for joining me on this magical journey today. Which fairy tale hero is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the enchanting world of fairy tales. Thanks for watching.